Good morning, Softlace. How are you doing today?
Good morning, Athena. I'm doing well.
Glad to hear it.
So, what are the plans for today?
We have a lot of things to do today. We have to go to the Olympiad, we have to go to the theater, we have to finish the sculpture, and study philosophy.
Sounds boring with nothing in my stomach. Are you hungry? Because I am.
Do you want to come to my farm today?
Definitely yes. What's on the menu?
Grapes.
Woohoo! What else?
I only have grapes.
Grapes? Nah, I don't like grapes.
I make this delicious grape cake.
Woohoo! I like cakes.
I also make an exquisite juice.
I don't like juice. I like wine.
It's 7 in the morning.
Yeah, so what?
So what? How are we going to accomplish everything we have to do today if you're drunk?
I actually work best when I have one in my system.
What? How's that even possible?
I become less shy, so I perform better at the theater, and I will think better for our Democracy Book project.
That is a lie.
You should actually drink wine with me.
I'll be able to sculpt, I'll have a lack of coordination at the games, and it goes against our philosophy.
Who?
Who what?
Who cares?
True. I don't really care.
Me neither.
Woohoo! Let's drink!
Are you crazy? It's 7 in the morning.
But you just said...
We have a lot of things to do. We can start working on my memory loss problem.
Oh, that's true. I forgot about your problem.
I think I'm not the only one with the problem.
I think wine can solve our problems.
We can try that.
Woohoo! Drinking time.